All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday, boys and girls, so that is great. This time we have you, Francisco Sandoval. I think that is your name, how you pronounce it. You wished for Jay Wheeler's, and this song is called Máquina del Tiempo. I think that is the correct pronunciation there as well. So again, a Spanish song, Spanish lyrics. I don't understand what it sings about, but it's a great way of playing songs. You don't know what they talk about, you just play, and that can be great as well. So this is special for you, Mr. Sandoval, and for all you Jay Wheeler fans. We had Jay Wheeler here before on this channel with songs, perhaps you remember them, Can't Figure You Out and Eased. That is a couple of the songs we have from Jay Wheeler before. This time, like I said, Máquina del Tiempo. This is a capo here on the first fret. So we have that, and we have one chord version that goes in the same way through the entire song. We're gonna play the melody and we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, so that is great. Let's start with the capo, like I said, on the first, and let's go over the chords. So the first chord is the D minor 7. Okay, so that is open D, second G, first B, and first E. And the last two strings there, B and E on the first, I usually just bar them with my index finger. So that is the D minor 7. The next chord will be an F, but with a C in the bass. So what you do there, the easiest way is to keep that D minor 7, because you will always play this F C chord right after D minor 7. So you just keep it and you add two more strings there to it. So sounds like this. That will be third on A, third on D, and then comes the rest there. Second on G, first B, and first E. So that is basically the D minor 7 with the added third A and third D. That will be the F C chord. The next chord will be A sharp sus2. So that's a bar here on the first fret from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And the rest will be third on D and third on G. And the fourth and final chord will be a standard F. So you have a bar again here still on the first fret, this time all strings. And the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. So that is the chord progression. So D minor 7, then the F C, then the A sharp sus, and F. All right. We're gonna come back to the chords later when we look at the strumming pattern. Now we're gonna start with the melody. So the melody, you could say, is kind of 2 rounds. It's two very same rounds, it's just a different ending there. The F just ends in different ways from the first to second round. So it starts with the D minor 7, but it's a completely different grip than the chord. So you need to have this grip like this when you play the melody. So that will be 5th on A, 3rd on D, and 5th on G. And with that, you're gonna play just like that. So 5th, 3rd D, and 5th G. Okay, just the 3 notes. And that's it for D minor 7. Then you shift to the F C chord. And here you're just gonna pick the 3rd A string together with 3rd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. And then you add a clap. Okay, so this transition here, it's pretty fast, so that's a challenge there, but that is the hardest part. So okay, and then we go to the A sharp chord. You're gonna play this part, and that is from the chord. You can hold the chord as it is, and you're gonna play first A string, then third D, and then you're gonna play third G together with first B. And then you end this first round with the F and play this part and a clap. So that is first on E string, third on D, and second on G. Play these three strings together and a clap. So that's that first round and the ending there. So to summarize this, that's the D minor 7. Then you go to the F C chord and play just all the strings from A to B and a clap from the chord. And then you play the A sharp. And then you play the F and a clap. The second round you will play in the exact same way when it comes to the first three chords, the D minor 7, the F C, and the A sharp. But the ending here with the final F will be like this. Okay, so that is first on E string together with open G. Then you play second G and you end with a clap. So that's it for the melody. So slowly it will be like this. The first, no, we can play actually both two rounds so you get the both endings there. That's it. So with some tempo. Sorry. And so on. Yeah, haven't done this enough, but yeah, couple of rounds and you will get it like I needed there. So that is the melody, and now let's look at the strumming. It's pretty easy. Here you're gonna think pair of chords, so D minor 7 and F C chord will pair up, and the A sharp and F will pair up, and the pairs will make up for one strumming pattern, you can say, together. So let's look at the first pair there, the D minor to the F C chord. So the D minor part, the first chord here, in this case the D minor, you will play down, down, up, clap. Okay, so D minor, down, down, up, clap. And then you shift to the next chord, in this case the F C, and play down, down, up, clap, down, up. So it's okay, so down, down, up, clap, down, up. So if we compare or combine these two things together, the D minor 7 and the F C chord, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. So and the same goes with the A sharp to the F, so it will be like this. And and that is how it goes. So you can combine the melody if you wish with this strumming. It will be something like this. So yeah, I'm aware of that I destroyed and butchered this song really hard here, but I hope I help with the thing when it comes to give you the formulas of how you should play the songs, and then it's up to you to do your practice, which I haven't, and play better than me, and I'm really happy if you managed to do that. So yeah, this was Jay Wheeler's Máquina del Tiempo. A great song to play if you can, which I cannot, obviously. But anyway, this was especially for you, Francisco Sandoval, and for all you Jay Wheeler fans. I hope you come back here, guitar fans here on Gordon Guitar, and wish for songs. I'm happy to help. And it's a challenge to give you songs you wished for sometimes, but it's also a great and fun thing to do. So, yeah, till next time, guys. Play tuned.